What's going on, everybody? It's Juan with 518 Painters, and today I want to talk about what I think about the FlexSpray Hand Sprayer. So I've been using my Titan Flex for about 6 years now, and in most cases I use it for crown molding and trim. And in this video I kind of want to talk about the pros and cons. So since I had to replace the filter on my handheld sprayer, I figured this would be a great time to give a quick review. As you can see, the filter's really dirty from overspray, and it's super easy to replace. You just unlock the latch, pull off the cover, loosen the clips, and then just pull out the old filter. What you're seeing here is the dust from the overspray. I usually don't have to replace these often, maybe every 3 months. You can use an old paintbrush just to dust it off, or you can use a compressor to blow it out. And then after you dust it off, just replace the filter, put back the clips, add the cover, and lock it. That's how simple it is to replace the filter on a Titan handheld sprayer. Now let's take a closer look at the actual gun. As you can see, this is the tube that sucks up your paint, and here you have a little air hole that is connected to a rubber tube. You always have to make sure that is not clogged up, or else you're going to have a messed up spray pattern. Depending whether you're spraying upwards or downwards, you can move this tube to the back or the front, depending on how you need it. The reservoir is a 1-quart stainless steel cup, which is super durable and easy to clean. All you do is screw it on and make sure it's nice and tight. And here you control how much fluid comes out the tip. You can start at 1 with very minimal, or go all the way up to 12 with a lot of material output. Here you can switch between a wide fan and a narrow fan. Always make sure that these holes are super clean. This is where the air comes out of, and if they're clogged up, then you'll have a messed up spray pattern. In the front we have the needle, which moves back whenever you pull the trigger. In the back you have your air control knob with the settings from 1 all the way up to 12. This sprayer doesn't have a built-in strainer, so you always want to strain your paint first. What I like to do, I like to thin the paint a little bit with about 10% of water. Just twist and turn, and you're ready to go. Here's an example with the air turned all the way up and the liquid feed all the way down. That was to demonstrate a narrow fan. Now I'm going to show you a wide fan. Now I'm switching back to a narrow fan, and I'm going to turn up the liquid flow to 5. And now let's look at the wide fan. And just to demonstrate what it looks like, I'm going to turn up the liquid flow all the way to 12 and just shoot a wide fan. Although I wouldn't necessarily suggest doing kitchen cabinets with this sprayer, I just wanted to give you an idea what it looks like. So I went ahead and did 2 coats on this previously primed piece that I had. I sanded in between, and this is what it came out looking like. And as you can see yourself, it might not be perfect for kitchen cabinets, but it's a real good finish for a handheld sprayer. So there's 4 things that I don't like about it. 1, it's not cordless. 2, if you tip it over and you let it sit for too long, the paint can get into that little rubber tube, and that can start messing with your spray pattern. 3, it has a bit of an overspray that you need to be aware of. 4, it's a little bit heavier than other handheld sprayers. But if you hold on to the bottom of the handle, it kind of reduces the weight that's on your wrist. But besides that, the Titan Flex is an absolute workhorse and definitely money well spent. Well, thanks again for watching. I hope this was helpful to somebody out there. Tune in again next time. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. I'll catch you later.